x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4 equal to x square whole square plus 2x square y square plus y square whole square minus x square y square equal to x square plus y square whole square minus xy whole square equal to a square minus b square form. So a plus b into a minus b, that is a plus b into a minus b. This is the factorization of this polynomial. Number 2 is equal to x to the power 4 whole square minus 4y to the power 4 whole square equal to x to the power 4 plus 4y to the power 4 into x to the power 4 minus 4y to the power 4. This is equal to x square plus 2y square whole square minus 2ab into a plus b. It is coming in b square form, a plus b into a minus b equal to x square plus 2y square whole square minus 4x square y square into equal to whole square minus 2xy whole square into x square plus 2y square into x square minus 2y square equal to a plus b into a minus b into x square plus 2y square into x square minus 2y square. This is the factorization of x to the power 8 minus 16 y to the power 8. p to the power 4 minus 4p square q square plus 2q square whole square minus 9p square q square 9 4, so this is 13. We split this 13 into these forms. Okay, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 is equal to p square minus 2q square whole square minus 3pq whole square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is the factorization of these two. p to the power 4 minus 2p square q square plus q to the power 4 minus 16 q to the power 4 equal to p square minus q square whole square minus 4q square whole square, that is a square minus b square form. So a plus b into a minus b equal to p square plus 3q square into p square minus 5q square. This is the factorization. This is equal to 4x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 plus 2x square y square minus y to the power 4 equal to 2x square whole square minus common x to the power 4 minus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4 equal to 2x square whole square minus x square minus y square whole square equal to a square minus b square form. So a plus b into a minus b. 2x square plus x square minus y square into 2x square minus x square minus minus plus y square is equal to 2x square plus x square, 3x square minus y square, and 2x square minus x square, that is x square plus y square. This is the factorization. This is equal to x to the power 4 plus 2 into x square into 3y square plus 3y square whole square, that is 3y square whole square equal to 9y to the power 4. For adjustment we take minus y to the power 4 equal to, this will be in the perfect square form. So x square plus 3y square whole square minus y square whole square equal to, this comes to square form. So a plus b into a minus b equal to x square plus 4 y square into x square plus 2 y square. This is the factorization. X to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square equal to x square plus 1 whole square minus x whole square is going to be square form. So a plus b, a minus b. This is the factorization. X to the power 4 whole square plus 2x to the power 4 y to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 whole square minus x to the power 4 y to the power 4 equal to x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 whole square minus x square y square whole square equal to, this going to be square form. So a plus b into a minus b equal to x square. So we split this in this form. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus x square y square equal to x square plus y square whole square minus xy whole square into x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus x square y square equal to, two factors, is going to discuss a plus into b, a plus b into a minus b into this, that is x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 y to the power 4. This is the factorization of the polynomial. 3x to the power 4 minus 4x square y square plus y to the power 4. So we split this in the form 4x to the power 4 minus 4x square y square plus y to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 equal to 2x square whole square minus 2 into 2x square into y square plus y square whole square minus x to the power 4 equal to 2x square minus y square whole square. So this is in the perfect square form, minus x square whole square equal to a square minus b square form. So a plus b into a minus b, this is equal to 2x square plus x square, so 3x square minus y square into 2x square minus square, that is x square minus y square. So this will split in two forms, so 3x square minus y square into x plus y into x minus y. This is the Factorization. 3x square minus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 4xz. So 4x square minus 4xz plus z square minus x square minus 2xy minus y square equal to 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into z plus z square minus x square plus 2xy plus y square equal to 2x minus z whole square minus x plus y whole square equal to a square minus b square form. So a plus b into a minus b equal to 2x plus x, so 3x plus y minus z into 2x minus x minus y minus z. This is the factorization. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel.